Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to give Amazon seller feedback. This is a great way to share your experience with a seller and help other buyers make informed decisions. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right toolbar. Here, you'll see an option that says Returns and Orders. Click on that to proceed. Now, although I don't have an active item right now, I'm going to show you the next steps so you know exactly what to do when you're ready to leave feedback. On the Returns and Orders page, you'll see a list of your recent purchases. Look for the order you want to leave feedback for, and next to that relevant order item, you'll find a button that says Leave Seller Feedback. Click on it. This will take you to the feedback page, which is where you'll share your thoughts about your seller experience. The first thing you'll need to do is select a star rating. You'll see options ranging from 1 to 5 stars, so choose the rating that best reflects your experience with the seller. This rating is important because it gives the seller and other buyers a quick snapshot of how the transaction went. Next, you'll notice there are some optional yes or no questions about your order. These might include questions like, did the seller communicate well, or was the item as described? Go ahead and answer these questions honestly. They're designed to provide more detailed insights about the seller's performance, and while they're optional, they do add valuable context to your feedback. After that, you'll see a text box where you can type your written feedback comment. This is your chance to share more specific details about your experience. Focus on the seller's service, whether that's their communication, shipping speed, or how they handled any issues. Keep your comments honest and helpful, as this feedback helps both the seller improve and assists future buyers in making decisions. Once you've filled everything out and you're satisfied with your feedback, look for the Submit button. Click on it to finalize and send your feedback directly to the seller. Your feedback is now complete and will be visible to others shopping on Amazon. And that's it. You've successfully left seller feedback on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.